Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move image in Shotcut. So to move image in Shotcut, here is a simple guide on how you can do it. So open your Shotcut and load your file by dragging it to the timeline. Then check on the image in the timeline to select it. Then go to the filter tab, click the plus icon or plus button to add a new filter and select size, position and rotate. Then in the filter panel, you will see an option to adjust the position of your video. You can drag the image directly in the preview window to the desired position and use the numeric input to set the exact coordinate animate movement. Then after that, if you want to animate the movement of the image, you can use the keyframe, or you can also click the keyframe button to open the keyframe panel. Then move the playhead to the point in the timeline where you want the movement to start and add a keyframe. Then after that, move the playhead to the point where you want the movement to end and adjust the position of the image and add another keyframe to the video, and that's how you can simply move image in Shotcut. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button, follow for more content like this. Thank you.